Hello, hello, all lost follower. It is my video. I want to share you about science lecture program. If we see all the method, it is the root that I use. I take it out ID inside of the method from this content from this point is the 100 millimeter. So I take it out 0.5 millimeter. So this is the chamfer 45-degree. This is I take a first workpiece that I share on the program Master. This is the workout that I take 8 millimeter the raw material. So Z from 8 millimeter to 0 and H diameter OD is the bigger size is 125 millimeter. I take it chamfer 3.5 millimeter. This is the OD outside of material. I take out is the 115 millimeter. I take the chamfer is 2 millimeter. So I use the machine for science. This is program. I work with revolution 1200 revolution speed. I take a speed 200 for the speed meter per minute. I take out per minute per revolution. I take out the 1.3 1.2 below depend on the tool that I work with science. So if you work science, you must be think about Audi and the length. I think that the length is from 40 millimeter. So it is all program that I share. If you work science, you understand that I share. I hope you understand. If you have a question, you can ask me. You can send SMS and email. So it's very important. It is a very expensive method, or very expensive for material. If you is not proficiency, I think that it's a threat to work with science. If you work proficiency, expert, you understand about this. This is, I think that I worked with science. I think that one material, one piece I can take perhaps 20 frame, 30, 40 20 minutes for work with CNC like this. I hope to understand that a description that I mentioned. If you can, I would like you from beginning to work with CNC to understand about material like this. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and share and like. Thank you so much.